Welcome to Garland's Golf Cottages. So these are the most popular unit at Garland that we sell. One, there are more of these units than any of the other condo developments, but two, they are just a fantastic product. These units are 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so the upstairs is a large bedroom with a full bath, and then the downstairs has, again, another large bedroom and a full bath. A beautiful living space, gas log fireplace, a full kitchen, and a wonderful deck overlooking the golf course. All the decks come with gas grills. These are part of a condo, so the HOA is maintaining the exterior buildings. They're maintaining the grounds, they're plowing the roads, they're shoveling your walk if you're using it in the winter. So as a spectacular option, these are now selling in approximately the 160s kind of range and offer you tremendous opportunities, whether you want it for your cottage, whether you want it to be part of Garland's rental program, whether you want to rent it on your own. These have a lot of options and they're used in all of those aspects. So if you're looking for that fantastic investment or getaway up north, but you don't want to deal with the maintenance, then you should consider looking at the Garland Golf Cottages and the other condos here at Garland Resort.